Hello, I'm Nadine and a very warm welcome. So it's summertime and we are making the perfect summer dessert popsicles. And we are going to make them 4 different ways. They're super easy, super pretty. The only thing you really need to do is wait till they freeze so you can eat them. And today is a special day because I have a little helper. Oh my god! Can you tell she likes to do gymnastics?
I'm a mom.
Okay, man. So, should we do gymnastics or make popsicles?
Gymnastics.
What?
Just kidding. We should make popsicles.
Okay, let's make popsicles. Okay, man. Let's start. You excited?
Yes.
Okay, so this is the mold that we're using. It's a silicone flexible mold and these are my favorite. You can even make cakesicles in these and all of that. Do you want to come back and make cakesicles?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay, good. Okay, so this is popsicle number
1.
Yes. So all we're going to do is put some edible flowers in. You want to try some, Jeannie? And we put them face down so that when we take them out, we can see the flowers a bit more. Yeah, perfect. So these are all edible flowers. I got these at Whole Foods. I have these as well. Put them in. And then we just put the stick in. So you want to put the stick in? You just slide it in. And just in the middle. And the flowers kind of go under it.
Just like here?
Yeah, perfect. And then we have some coconut water here. And that's all you do. You just pour it in. We're gonna freeze these. You know who will love these?
My mom.
Yes! She loves coconut anything, right?
Anything. She got ice cream with coconut milk in it.
Really? Wow. Okay, now let's do popsicle number 2. So for this one, all we're doing is we're going to put some sliced up fruit at the bottom,
Okay.
right? So here we had edible flowers and coconut water. This will be fruit, and all we'll do is put some lemonade. Sounds good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Tastes good.
Yeah, it'll taste good. It's like frozen lemonade and fruit. You can't go wrong with that. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, so why don't you do this one and I'll do this one. Yeah, go for it. Okay, I also do kiwi.
Strawberry.
Yeah, sounds good. And because it's lemonade, mint goes very well with it, so I'm going to put some mint in there too. Yeah, put some. Yeah. And all we do is pour in the lemonade. Okay, now we're going to freeze these and they take about 4 to 6 hours in the freezer.
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Okay, man, design number 3. So this, all we're going to do is puree some fruit. So you can do it with any fruit, with berries, with anything, but we are using the king of fruits, mango. You like mangoes?
Yeah.
Okay, so you can use like a food processor or a blender, whatever you want. And they're in season now, so you can use fresh ones or frozen, whatever you have. Okay? And these are sweet enough, so they don't need any added sugar or anything. So it's super easy and super fun, right? Okay, go for it. Yeah, you can press. You wanna? Yeah, you can grind it.
Scared me.
Yeah. That's it. That's all it is. Easy, right? And it's super yummy. Yeah. So for this one, we're going to make a little design so it looks pretty.
Yeah.
So we are going to do pink polka dots. Sound good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's do it. So Iman, how old are you?
I'm 11.
11. And I'm going to ask you a question. It's very original.
Okay, great.
Wait for it. Wait, let me
Drum
get a,
roll.
Yeah, drum roll. Let me get a mic. What will you be when you grow up?
So original.
It is, right?
I want to be famous.
You want to be famous?
I don't really have one.
Like,
I do want to be famous, but like I don't sing or anything.
So, what do you want to be? Like,
Maybe a
what do you want to
gymnast.
do? Oh, a famous gymnast?
Maybe, I don't really. I'm not entirely sure.
Yeah,
I'm only 11.
I know, you're only 11. Yeah, you have time. I think you will be famous.
Thank you.
Yeah, for sure. Okay, so all we do is we put this over carefully. Do you want to grab a spoon and
Yeah.
do this with me? Okay. Hello. Okay, there you go. So just carefully because you don't want to mess up the design. Yeah, good job.
Very
It was better than me. So Iman, I heard you're getting a puppy.
Yeah, I should be.
Do your parents know that?
One of them does.
I think you're making some trouble.
We can bring it home and then
Yeah.
show my
Yeah, let's do that.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Yeah.
Just say I'm coming here.
Yeah.
Just say I'm coming here to film another.
Yeah. We'll give them popsicles to distract them.
Yeah.
And sneak the puppy in.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's a good one. So once you've filled it, you just kind of press it in. Okay, man, let's do design number
4.
4. Okay, so for this one, what we're going to do is I have 1 cup of whole milk yogurt. This is actually a vanilla yogurt, but you can use plain too. If you're using plain, you can put a teaspoon of vanilla extract in it. And this is a tablespoon of maple syrup. Ooh. Looks good? You want to give that a mix?
Sure.
So this will sweeten it a little bit. Mix. And then we'll put, this is just a half a cup of frozen mixed berries. And I just put them in the blender and whisk them up. Okay, that's all I do. And then what you do is you just mix them in, but not all the way, because then it gives you kind of like this swirly kind of, yeah, and that's it. And this goes in. You wanna grab a spoon?
Yeah.
And this is your favorite color, isn't it?
It is purple.
Purple. Now these go in the freezer for 4 to 6 hours. Can you wait that long?
Hopefully.
Okay, so Iman, moment of truth. Let's get them out. Okay, so all we have to do is, yeah, so you just kind of wiggle it. Yeah. And it'll hopefully slide out. Like that. Oh, nice. It works. So these are the ones with the coconut water. pretty. So that was the mint and kiwi. This is the lemonade one. Now let's get the other ones out. Okay, Iman, so now let's see if the polka dots are on the popsicle or in the mold. Okay, let's see. Say a little prayer. Do something. Fingers crossed. Pretty good, right? I wasn't sure about this. Okay, Iman, so the ones we did with the coconut water, they are very pretty as is because they have edible flowers in them. Right?
Yeah.
Then number 2, the ones we did with lemonade, those are pretty too because they have fruit in them. Number 3 was the mango one. We did has polka dots, right?
Yeah.
That doesn't mean anything. But these ones, although it's a very pretty color, I made these fondant decorations and I thought we could just place them on. So I made butterflies and bees. You like?
Yeah, I do.
Which one should we put on the
I'm
thing?
gonna put a butterfly.
Butterfly?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what happens is that it's kind of wet, the surface, so the fondant will just stick to it. That looks pretty. What do you
I
think?
like it.
Yeah? We can even put 2 butterflies. Right? That's pretty. Look how pretty. Okay, man. Cheers. Let's try it. Mmm.
It's good.
Good, right? Yummy?
I like it.
You like mango? It's just so nice and creamy with the yogurt. Okay. Let's stop eating. All the details will be on my website, nadineali.com. If you make these summer treats, please share those pics with me. I love seeing them. Tag me on Instagram or let me know how it went in the comments below.
She has fun recipes like this every week, so make sure to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell.
I hope you share this with your loved ones. Until next time. We are gonna put pink polka dot.
Why? What would you say?
I don't know what I said. Just don't break yourself. I need to send you back to your parents in one piece.